Hello friends, how are you? This is Junaid Khan, and in today's video I'm going to share about my experience of first day. Okay, so my first day experience in TCS as an assistant system engineer, because today I'm joining as assistant system engineer in TCS but virtually. Okay, so I'm not going to their location because they have said that till March we are going to be virtual onboarding. So I'm joining as a virtual. Okay, so today is 27th of January, and this is my most awaited day because I'm waiting for this day from 2019, because I have cleared my TCS exam in around November 2019. Okay, so I have got the offer letter, and they have said that we will be onboarding in July, but due to pandemic and those issues, I was not able to join in July 2020, so my joining got delayed, and today is 27th of January 2021. So today I'm going to join TCS as an assistant system engineer. So right now it is 8:26 a.m. Okay, so I will share update whenever I got time. I will shoot the video and tell you about how's that going, and what are they telling, and what all the things. Okay, so I will post at last this video. Thank you guys for thank you. So guys, my meeting has been end, and it is around 5:30 p.m. and I'm just exhausted that finally a whole day while sitting in front of laptop, because from last year I was not doing this. So because of that I am having some problem, like my leg is paining. So that's will be fine after like after I will get a sleep. So yeah, it's a virtual onboarding. Today was a virtual onboarding, and there were around a lot of people on the meeting, and they have discussed what to do, what not to do. So I will not be able to discuss about that. So that's the wonderful journey, and as they have said that there are around now TCS has built an Accenture. Now it is a leading company. TCS is a leading company. So let's its market cap is also high, and there are a lot of things you can do. Okay, there are a lot of people in the company, but there are few people who are on top. So it solely depend on you, how you do in TCS, how you do in their program. There are lot of programs. As they have said, there are many subscriptions you can learn, you can grow yourself. Okay, so remember one thing, that if you are joining TCS, you might get salary low as compared to others, or there are hikes less, as they have said, as we have report that the salary hike is low. But what they have said, yeah, or like what there are programs, there is some hackathons, there are coding competitions, there are wing tests, there are a lot of opportunities where you can just upgrade yourself, your like because they did not give you a hike on regular basis on a similar job role. But as you pass their test, as you upgrade yourself, they will give you a hike, a better hike. Okay, so I hope guys you like my video. So this is my first day experience, and as I know that tomorrow also my induction program will go on. There will be 2 days induction program where they're leading HRs, and they will give guide you what to do, what not to do. So listen them if you are joining with me, or after 1 week, after 2 week, after 3 week, because they are joining are going on, and as they have said, a lot of people are going to they are hiring. And yeah, the NQT, which I have made a video previously, NQT portal is also open. They have said that 40,000 people will be hiring with the NQT test. If you hire around more than 1500, okay, their test is 1800 marks, and you have to score more than 1500, you will get higher. Like they are saying that 40,000 plus people they are going to hire with this NQT test. So this is my first day. Okay, sorry, this is my first day experience. Like now I'm feeling so exhausted, like I'm doing virtually, still this is exhausting, not so like that. Okay, so I hope guys you like my video. Please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel for getting latest updates. Thank you guys for watching this video.